My name is Jonas Millinger, and I'm a graduated Ph.D. student. I started at Atlas Copco 12 years ago, so I did my master thesis here. And then I started working. I was employed as a motor expert. After a while, we started some development projects. We struck into issues, so we basically needed to elevate our knowledge level and know-how. The only way, or one very efficient way that we saw at this point in time, was to collaborate with universities who deal with this kind of issues. Or I was asked, would you like to start as an industrial PhD student and do research related to these issues that we experience? We have 5 industrial PhD students, and several of them are dealing with efficiency, for example, and reducing CO2 footprint. And if I look at my own focus, if I start from there, I have been working on improving the efficiency of electrical machinery. And electrical machinery consumes more than 50% of the electricity produced worldwide. Atlas Copco has given me the opportunity to grow in the direction that I have wanted. So I've had this passion for research, and the culture has allowed me to focus on this.